everybody. Okay, so there's a giant present with a sign that says we can't open it. Let's investigate. Just before we do that, let's see how we even found this present. Quick recap. So there's a random unnamed character here, and actually someone suggested we called him Jeff. So I thought, yeah, maybe Jeff. So maybe Jeff is apparently the bee's knees. Or at least he has a bee on his knee. It's a super duper handsome bee with the cutest curl. On this curl is an abandoned city project where they left all these sad looking power lines. And if we keep searching, we come to, lo and behold, our mystery present. Now, I'm not one to break rules, but the sign says don't open. But no one said we can't take a peek. Now I think there's a window over here. Yes, there is. Ooh, and it kind of looks like someone's playing with color. All right, so what does this sign say? Secret stash. Secret stash of what? Money? Doritos? Wait, what? A stash? Like a mustache? Ugh!